Welcome back to the last card pack opening here with the 2020 Baseball Series 1 Topps cards. I was going to have one other extra video, but it accidentally got deleted, so this is going to be the last one for you guys. Before we start, leave a comment below of any other pack openings you would like for me to do, and I will be willing to look at your suggestions and determine what other packs I might open. So let's start off with the pre-opened packs already. First pack of the day: Julio Teheran, DJ LeMahieu, Aaron Judge, Cody Bellinger. Man, some good cards here. James Paxton, Dylan Chase, rookie card. Or Cease, my bad. Omar Narvaez. Reese McGuire. Dominic Smith. Josh Van Meter. John Lester. Charlie Culberson. Garrett Cole special card. Reese Hoskins. TR 69. JT Riddle, rounding off the pack, Shane Bieber. So a very, very good card pack to start off with, a lot of good players in that one. We will move on to the second pack here. We're going to start off with Patrick Sandoval, David Fletcher, Anthony Kay, Alex Verdugo, Chris Paddock, Jorge Polanco, Domingo Santana, Robbie Grossman, Jalen Davis, Tommy Pham, Anthony Rendon, a nice little Andrew Chafin. Got the Topps Chrome Kris Bryant TR21 Chrome. As you guys saw in the previous video, I got the Yasiel Puig Topps Chrome cards, so that's a nice other addition to that. Dustin May, TR11. Ian Kinsler, last but not least, Matt Barnes. Alright, here is the last pack. Ryan Braun, Hanser Alberto, Michael Conforto, Matt Thace, Dan Vogelbach, Hyjin Ryu. Don't know how to say his name exactly, but hey, that was pretty close. Mike Clevenger, JBJ, Jackie Bradley Jr., Ian Kennedy, Max Kepler, Jameson Taillon, Andrew Miller, Yordan Alvarez, Home Run Challenge, my third of the year. Hopefully those will be good this year, you never know. Aaron Judge, TR card, Austin Nola, last but not least, Jesse Winker. That's a nice card right there. Alright, so as you guys saw there, those were all of the cards that were in those three packs today. Got them all set out over here. Let me know what you guys think about these videos. Be sure to check out the vlog I posted yesterday and the other card opening video that I did. And I will be back with more content soon. Like and subscribe. Thank you. As always, 2K for life. Peace.